Hello friends. Today, we are diving into the first of our 4 video series on marketing. This video will focus on how to differentiate your product. Let's start by identifying your primary target customer segment. Knowing who you are selling to is as crucial as knowing what you're selling. Define your primary target customer segment based on criteria such as gender, age group, location, lifestyle, income level, or similar factors. For example, since your product is Chakhna, your primary target consumers would be kirana shops, bakeries, exhibitions, fairs and retailers. And their families. To fully understand the preferences and purchase-making behavior of your consumers, we need to identify key consumer factors that drive your target market's purchasing decisions. Since your target consumers are kirana shops, bakeries, exhibitions, fairs and retailers, and their families, they tend to prioritize the taste, good color quality, finishing and packaging. Additionally, they tend to prioritize the price. Tailoring your product and marketing strategy to these factors is crucial. Now, let's understand how to differentiate your product. The key lies in outperforming your competition in areas such as taste, good color, quality, price, and packaging. Think about what makes your product unique. Is it the quality or perhaps the packaging? Remember, differentiation is not just about the product itself but also how you present it to your customers. Next, it's important to decide what combination of products you should offer. To answer this, consider your target market's preferences, needs and behavior. Offering a rice roti might address different aspects of your customers' requirements. Finally, to effectively test your product idea before a full-scale launch, it's vital to validate the prototype. This could be done through discussions with your primary target segment or by asking a group of friends to review your product. Gather feedback multiple times to refine your product from kirana shops, bakeries, exhibitions, fairs, retailers and their families. Like, share and subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. Thanks for watching. All the best.